In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Semrush history. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just beginning to explore the vast realm of SEO, understanding how to track and analyze your search history on Semrush is a valuable skill that can significantly boost your efficiency and ensure you're making well-informed decisions. First things first, we'll start by opening your web browser. It's the gateway to everything we need today, so once that's done, head over to the search bar and type in Semrush. It should pop right up, and then it's just a matter of clicking the link to arrive at the Semrush homepage. Now, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, this is a good moment to create one. The sign-up process is straightforward, and having an account is essential for accessing all the features we'll explore in this session. After accessing your account, let's take a look at how we can view the query log. This is where Semrush conveniently keeps a record of all your searches, including domains, URLs, and keywords. Specifically, you'll want to access your user profile. You can typically find this in the top right corner of the interface. Within your user profile, look for the query log. Clicking on it will display a comprehensive history of your interactions with Semrush. There's even a search bar within this log, allowing you to find specific queries effortlessly. Next, let's shift to the activity log, another useful tool Semrush offers. Start by clicking on Manage Users, which is again usually located in the upper right of the screen. Navigate through and find the activity log. This log is quite detailed. It not only shows past activities, but also includes the date, time, event type, IP country, and user agent involved with each action. For those interested in reports, the My Reports section is the place to explore. Here, you have the ability to view any downloaded reports at your convenience and even tailor them according to specific time frames, making your analysis as precise as possible. Moving forward, let's dive into the Domain Overview feature. This is where you can use the Date selector to examine data from prior months, providing you with a historical perspective. In the Keyword Overview, you have the ability to view historical search results pages and analyze data across different countries. Semrush offers historical data, such as search volume, which can be traced back to as early as January 2012 for selected databases. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have the tools to efficiently check and analyze your history on Semrush. This will help you track your progress, maintain organized records, and sharpen your overall strategy. So go ahead and start exploring your Semrush history today.